Shreya has again collaborated with M.A.C, and I think it's a very, very proud moment for all us beauty creators and for our country also, I feel, because M.A.C, focusing on our influencers, fabulous. These are wonderful festive kits, so paisa vasool, and I will take you through the details of each of these, but I think this is very beautiful in multiple ways than one, and I will share with you what Shreya has done in her own way for me as well. Stay on, I'll take you through it. Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh and I welcome you back to JoyGeeks. This is where I create beauty content, wellness content, tons of fashion of late too. I'm enjoying that. In fact, one of what I'm wearing has also been featured. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. This video is about the M.A.C collaboration with Shreya Jain. Like I mentioned, this is so wonderful. This was released for Diwali, but I'm hoping they keep this on for Christmas, New Year, because this is a total paisa vasool kit and wonderful products in there. I will take you through this, but let me tell you that this is ultra special for many reasons. A, that Shreya Jain started off really young when she was 16 or so. And when I realized that she started at 16, I stopped telling my daughter, who's 15 now, I stopped telling her. I used to think maybe it's too soon for her to start off on YouTube. She really wanted to. But the minute I realized that, yeah, Shreya Jain started early, so it's okay if my daughter really wants to start off as well. And she's enjoying it so much on YouTube herself. So Shreya Jain, I think, has really been at the forefront of creating stuff that she wants, been one of those more iconic kind of personalities in the beauty content zone, and I'm really happy for her, for how well she's done, how well she's doing, and kudos to her. May she go a long way and make us all proud and prouder, and may she be happy. As far as M.A.C goes, M.A.C also has been really, really special for me because it is a pro brand. We've always aspired to have it, even when I was in college. So when M.A.C sends me PR, it becomes ultra special, and I don't know, with Shreya's collaboration, it just became very, very special. And I will take you through all the products. I'll demonstrate it. I'll tell you how one could use it and the works. So the first box is this one. This is called Stop, Drop and Glow Get Festive with Shreya Jain. This has these two wonderful products. It has a strobe cream and it has a kajal pencil. This is the Graph Black Technakohl liner, eyeliner kajal pencil. I really like this because you can twist it up. It's got a fine point. It's very easy to apply quickly on the go. I love makeup that's quick and easy. And this is a pretty nice black, so this works very well on the eye. The pink strobe cream, like you can see when I've swatched in my palm and I've shown it to you. Little of it. In fact, I squeezed out a lot more than needed unintentionally, but then I of course put it off on my neck, on my collarbone. I just tried to make use of it however I could, but the point is you need really little, so even this tube is going to go a really long way. It is really far less priced than when you would buy this originally individually. So I'll add the prices on the screen, but I think this is a fabulous kit. I'll move to the next one. The next kit is called Pink Bay, a wonderful kit again. This has a full size of their Fix Plus. We all know this is like a product which has been a cult favorite for a while, and I have been loving it too. I use it even to prep my face before makeup because I think it's a quick fix when you just want to make sure that your face is moisturized. So I use this before and at the end of my makeup as well. I did that today as well. I want you to just take note that earlier I used to think that it's not, the spray is not good enough and stuff, and actually went to the M.A.C store and she told me that I'm not keeping it far enough. So I would keep it so close and spray it, and I'd have all those thick blotches on my face, which is not how you do it. You really keep it far from you, you know, like extend your elbows out and then spray it. It'll be fine, but because it then sprays all over the place, just kind of protect your hair. It will probably you know, come onto your hair as well. So if you just take care of that much, this has been a favorite product of mine for a while. The next one they have in this kit is this wonderful shade called Mehr, which is what I have on my lips. It's a beautiful everyday nude pink. Now I am an NC42 in MAC and I think it looks like a very nice neutral pink on me. So for very fair girls, this is going to look beautiful, but for NC42 as well, it's a neutral, very kind of subdued pink. If you like this, you're going to love this. I personally really like Mehr. And this is the next kit. This is called Get Lippy. It has 3 shades, beautiful shades, Twig, Verve and Chili. What I have on my lip is Twig. It may seem like it's similar to Mehr, but it's not. Mehr is a lot more subdued. This is going to show up a lot more. It's similar, yes, it's in the same zone, but I would still think that if you're a darker skin tone, maybe you should go for this color, because this is a lovely everyday pink. I love this shade. It's so small in MAC that I need my spectacles. Yeah, so Mehr is a matte lipstick and Twig is a satin lipstick. I mean, the chashmish look. I just want the font bigger, MAC. I want your font bigger underneath so I can read it. But I can read with my chashma. Can I keep my chashma on for the rest of the video? I like it. So this is what I have is Twig. So the thing about MAC lipsticks are that they really stay a long time, and I'm not kidding about it. Even after you eat meals, of course a little comes off, but it still stays a long time. I think it's a complete paisa vasool, and they also have those mini lipsticks that you can go and try first. So I have been a big fan of MAC lipsticks and I'm very happy. In fact, you should comment and let me know if you would want me to make a video with the other new MAC lipsticks that I have, that MAC had sent to me earlier on for lipstick day. I would love to make that as well. This is the next shade, which is called Verve. Let's see, it's a beautiful brown. I have never worn this shade. I am so excited to be wearing this. What a beautiful shade. Nice chocolate brown. It's a nice, slightly cool tone brown. This is a satin lipstick. Beautiful shade. I like this. I like it with my chashma look as well. You should tell me if you like me in the chashma, or you prefer me without chashma. You want me to make videos for eye makeup with chashma. Let me know. Well, the Tanishq ad that I was featured in, I was in a chashma and I really like that look. In fact, it's the third ad I have got featured in with a chashma on. There's one more I shot this year, which is, I believe, not yet released. And there was an ad for Big Bazaar in which I featured, which also I had a chashma on. This is the next shade, a beautiful, beautiful orange, burnt orange red. It's chilly. It's been my favorite for a while. I have featured this earlier as well, and I will just show you the swatch. What a beautiful shade. What a beautiful shade. And this is also this is a matte finish. What a lovely shade. I really like these shades. I think these shades are like music for me, honestly. it's not, but I like a little darker red on my skin tone, so I love it. Is it matching with the nails? Not really. My nails are a lot brighter. All the details and the links of these boxes will be in the description box. Do not forget to check that out. So these were all the products in these 3 boxes. I hope I've given you a good idea of what they are like, and they are full paisa vasool. When you buy them individually, if you bought these lipsticks, it would be far more expensive, and a set of 3 is coming so much cheaper, and same goes with all the other kits. So have a look at that and enjoy your festive season, Diwali, Christmas, New Year. I think all the way till Jan, wedding season is coming up. So they are good gifting boxes as well. So I hope you like this, and do not forget to leave your most favorite kit name in the comments. I want to know which has been your most favorite kit. Which kit do you think is the smartest of them all? And if you already got some of these, or you look forward to getting some now, let me know in the comments. Alright, see you for now from Chashmish Me. I love this. Thank you so much. It makes me see, it makes my life better. It's not a very high number though. But yeah, let me know about the chashma thing also. Should I make more content with the chashma on or off? Okay, take care. See you. Bye.